How to verify ID on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify ID on Coinbase. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to verify your Coinbase ID, first you wanna open up Coinbase. You can get the application from the Play Store or you can do it on the website as well. Once you have opened up, you want to log into your account. Now I'll just log into my account real quick. You can tap on the sign in option. I'll sign in easily using my Google account here now. So I'll just tap on sign in with Google and sign in with my particular account, and it should sign me in. Now once you sign into your account, if your account isn't verified, it'll show you or give you a pop-up to sign in here real quick. So as you can see, I've logged into my account. Now I'll just skip this, and now if once you're logged in, if your account isn't verified, it will give you a pop-up notification to verify your account here. It's taking some time to load up, but it will load up real quick here. As you can see, it'll take me directly to upload your photo ID, which means to verify my account. Now what you need, first you'll have to prepare your document. Make sure your ID is valid and doesn't expire within the next 3 months to verify quicker. Choose a document that clearly shows your address. Then check your environment. Make sure you are in a well-lit environment and your internet connection is stable. You want to make sure your details are visible. Your first name, last name, birth date and address will be clearly visible. Then you want to upload a document in English. We can only accept documents that are in English as it says so. So unfortunately, documents in other languages will not be accepted. Once you have all this prepared, you can simply tap on continue, and then it'll ask you to select your ID type and then select your ID and make sure all the information that you enter is correct, and then you're simply submit it and your IDs will be verified. So this way you can verify your Coinbase ID. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.